The chain is already in. You have the front sprocket and the back sprocket. It was a pain to put it on all by myself, and I have these nuts right here. The the torque wrench specification, it's 25 pounds, increments of 25, 50, and 72 pounds. You do one at a time, so you do this one, and then you do the one at the bottom, and then you do the one next to it. So basically it's kind of like a zigzag. As you can see, the chain is already in. This is a DID chain. I need to figure out how to put this master link in. I'm missing something. I know I'm missing something. It's all in Japanese. I need to figure out. Anyone speak Japanese to figure this out? But anyway, I need to finish this up and find the correct torque specifications for this front sprocket nut and the back one. This is a I had to go to buy the socket. This is a 30 socket. There you go. This is a 30 socket, and then the one on the back is a 32 socket. I had to cut my stand because apparently I just couldn't take it out. There's a little piece right here that was blocking it, so I had to cut it. And same thing I had to do to this side over here. I had to cut it as well, just to take this rod out. But it's almost done. It was a pain, but we'll figure it out.